and welcome back again to the channel. It's Momandprettyimisi here again, and in today's video we're going to be making Miracle Knots Crochet. I've once made this type of hairstyle, but today I'm going to be using a different hair. So sit with me and let's get started. For today's hairstyle, I'm using hair from Luvme. As you can see, I am matching with the brand. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox this hair. Ooh, pretty easy. Wow. Came in 2 packs. This is the first pack here. Let's see. Crochet pin here. Wow. This is so cool. Oh my goodness, what a one. So I have 2 doubles here. And this, oof, this is cute all together. This is so loaded. I think the box is economical because you can buy and share with your friends, and so you know they all came with their individual wrap, so you can just buy and then wrap them up and share. And also it came with 2 crochet pins, which is very economical. Honestly, here I'm holding here is body wave. I think it also comes in kinky street as well. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm not gonna use all of this. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this for my daughter, and then we're gonna use it like twice. Honestly, it is so economical, I tell you. So let's go ahead and get started. I have my hair braided already all the way to the back. I have my hair braided all the way to the back, neat sections, you know. Now let's open up the crochet hair. This one is already pre-separated, so there is no hassle, unlike the ones I've used in the past where you have to struggle to separate individual crochet strands. This one comes ready to use. All you have to do is pick the strand from the main string, and as you can see, it is like a big ring holding all the strands together. Step 1 is to take an individual braid, and starting from the tip of the braid, I loop in the crochet hair, stretch it out slightly, and weave the tip of my natural hair with it, so that way the tip of my natural hair is not peeking out. Step 2 is to take another crochet piece, insert it on my braided natural hair, create a loop and pull it through. Step 3 is to move a little higher up the braid and make another loop in the same manner. Now let's repeat the same process. First, pick the initial loop and tie it around the tip of your natural hair. Braid it until your natural hair is no longer visible. Next, insert another crochet strand, loop it out and knot it. Next, to go high up, take another piece of crochet hair and repeat the same process. If you want your braid to look fuller, you can add one at the very top of the braid. However, I find that 3 to 4 crochet strands are usually enough, and that's it. Now let's go ahead and complete the rest of the hair. right, lovelies, this is the hair. We are done with this hair. I've never added anything yet, and it looks so great. Honestly, it looks so great on its own. No mousse added yet, no nothing added yet, you know. And the hair looks super cute. It is so full. Love it. You can decide to add water, or you can leave it like this. Honestly, you know, if I go ahead to pack it, this is how it's gonna look. First, I'm just gonna add water. Spray some water on it. Look at that. So cute. So cute, lovelies. I love this body wave. Next, I'm gonna add my mousse. Let's see. Look at that. It looks so good already. I love the feel. Just gonna apply Hawaiian silk. Applying this jam to slick the edges down. I'm just gonna let it wait to dry before I can pack it into a bun. Let's try some styles. So this is half down, half up, like that. Half down, half up. Half up, half down. What do you think? I think this is fabulous. This one too is so cute, you know. So I packed all of it up and I just let it flow down. This is so cute. Look at this one too. This looks beautiful. Look at that one. Alright, lovelies, what do you say about today's video? I think it is fabulous. Today's hairstyle is awesome. So I've dropped the link to this hair on the video description, so go ahead and grab that link and navigate Luvme website. Seeing is believing, and so you know, this is what is left in it. So I had 8, I used 5 of it, about, let's say 1.5, maybe 2ish, kind of, maybe 1.5. So this is what is left out of 8. So look at that, it is so nice. All right, go ahead and grab the link on the video description to navigate Luvme website. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you again next time, remain blessed.